It's nice event, huh? Even their food is budgeted. Wala man shrimps.
White fish yung naamoy natin inihaw. Hindi ka ba kumain nun?
Kumain, isa lang.
Yun ang ano eh.
Medyo malansay.
Oo nga. Kasi ano,
Kung hindi mo ikain ng pickles.
pickles. Yun nga sinanungan ko lang ng pickles.
Ako din.
Lemon pickle.
Yung lemon, sarap. Doon na napadami kain ko eh.
Sarap yun.
You know what? I eat too much because of the pickles.
Lemon pickle.
Lemon pickles.
Which pickle?
Lemon. They have nice lemon pickles.
I'm always buying this, but in Lulu it's spicy.
Spicy?
I'm looking for this one.
The one we are buying before in Asnad. When every Thursday, no?
Okay.
But the one in Lulu is spicy. I like this one. Not
You like spicy pickle?
No, I don't want. I don't want the spicy. But always in Lulu it's spicy.
Okay.
Because I like this pickle. You put it on the rice and.
When you make pickle, if you put lemon, dates, then it will not become spicy.
You know the dates pickles there? It's half, I think, now. It will not
finished?
spoil. No, still there. It's not. It will not spoil na ano, no?
No, it's pickled already. It will not expire. Pickle is pickle. I want to know how to make it.
It's very easy.
Is there fenugreek? They put fenugreek powder.
Yeah.
See, I can taste. I can taste the fenugreek. Because I'm drinking the fenugreek powder. I put it in hot
Why you
water.
are drinking fenugreek powder?
Huh?
Why you are drinking?
For stomach.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Okay, so that you are buying or you are grinding?
No, I'm buying only in Lulu, the grinded one.
Okay.
But sometimes only the seeds, I also drink it overnight.
If you boil water with fenugreek, then drink the water also good.
Yeah. But I'm also drinking the seed. When it's soft, I swallow everything. I put it in hot water.
Is it good for any sugar or anything?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Oh, you
Also for cleansing the stomach.
So you overnight you will soak and
Yeah.
the next day
Put it in hot water, maybe half glass.
Okay.
Soak it overnight.
Okay.
And then early in the morning, you put again small hot water, so then you drink everything.
Drink and then you eat the fenugreek also.
Yeah,
How much? 1 spoon you
1
put?
spoon.
Ariel is selling the supplement. Barley.
But this is all for networking.
But this barley is long time.